Hello viewers, welcome to the Learners Nursing classes. So let us do next 25 questions so that we complete set of 100 questions. Let us start. The cessation of breathing for a time during sleep is called sleep apnea, sleep bradypnea, dyspnea or apnea. See here the answer is sleep apnea. एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन ऑफ मेडिकेशन अंडरनीथ द पेशेंट्स टंग इज़, कोई भी दवाई जब आप मरीज़ के टंग के नीचे रखते हैं तो उस रूट को क्या कहते हैं? ओरल, सबलिंगुअल, पेरेंट्रल और नन ऑफ दीज. हेयर द आंसर इज सबलिंगुअल. सेकेंडरी इन्फेक्शन यूजुअली कॉज्ड बाय एन opportunistic pathogen is super infection or a nosocomial infection or iatrogenic infection or infestation. See, the answer is super infection. Procedure used to eliminate any microorganism from any area is surgical asepsis, medical asepsis, sepsis or antisepsis. Here the answer is surgical asepsis. Chemical or physiological agents that may produce adverse effect in the embryo or the fetus is they are called teratogens, halogens, collagens or colloid. See here the answer is teratogens. Ringing heard in one or both ear is called as tinnitus, nystagmus, tympanitis or none of these. Here answer is tinnitus. Flora not commonly found in a particular area of the body is transient flora, resident flora, normal flora or none of these. The answer is transient flora. Transient flora is not commonly found in a particular area of the body. Post THR, total hip replacement, what is used to prevent the external rotation of the leg? The trochanter roll, the hand roll, the pillow or backrest. Here the answer is pillow. See how the pillow is used? It is kept in between the legs so that there is no external rotation and chances of hip dislocation post surgery is zero. Surgical procedure in which an opening is made is called as ostomy, otomy, raphe, autopsy. See, this is ostomy. Temporary paralysis of intestinal wall is paralytic ileus, peristalsis, tympanitis, flatulence. Here the answer is paralytic ileus. Determining the density of a body part by striking of short sharp taps of the finger is called as percussion, palpation, auscultation or inspection. See here the answer it is called as percussion. Tiny purple or red spots that appear on the skin, what is it called? Petechiae, erythema, eczema, dermatitis. See, answer is petechiae. Somnambulism is sleepwalk, sleep talk, dream or nightmare. See, the answer is sleepwalk. Somnambulism is sleepwalk. An instrument used to examine rectum is called as sigmoidoscope, proctoscope, otoscope, laryngoscope. Sigmoidoscope for sigmoid and proctoscope is for the rectum and otoscope is for the ear and laryngoscope is for the larynx. So answer is proctoscope. Drugs that inhibit the cough reflex are known as antiemetic, antitussive and astringents and antipyretics. The answer is antitussive. Antitussive are cough suppressive drugs. Artificial feeding is known as gavage, lavage, suction or none of these. See, the answer is gavage. The most important electrolyte of intracellular fluid is sodium, calcium, chloride, potassium. See, the answer is potassium. Dyspepsia means difficulty in swallowing, urination, digestion or belching. The answer is swallowing. Drug that acts to promote bowel evacuation is laxative, purgative, emollient, antihelminthic. See, the answer is laxatives. Audible abdominal sounds produced by hyperactive intestinal peristalsis is borborygmus, flatulence, tympanitis, or none of these? The answer is borborygmus. Condition characterized by sudden muscular weakness and loss of muscle tone is cataplexy, autopsy, narcolepsy, or biopsy. See, here the answer is cataplexy. See, what is cataplexy? Cataplexy में क्या होता है कि suddenly there is muscle weakness and loss of muscle tone and human जो भी इंसान है वो गिर जाता है, they fall. And these, but patient is fully conscious. These activities are triggered by the emotional factors, and the patient is fully conscious, but then there is sudden loss of weakness of muscle, and muscle tone goes off and the person falls. What is autopsy? It is the examination of the body to determine the extent and changes that are produced by the disease condition. And what is narcolepsy? देखो, narcolepsy is a kind of chronic sleep disorder. And what is biopsy? See, biopsy is the removal of a tissue or a cell for testing, for analysis and testing. So what is cataplexy? Cataplexy is a condition which is characterized by sudden muscular weakness and loss of muscle tone. Movement of limb away from the body is, देखो, limb, movement of a limb, not limb, limb, L-I-M-B, limb, away from the body is abduction, adduction and flexion or extension. See, the answer will be away from body is abduction. See, I will tell you, flexion का मतलब होता है अपनी body को flex करना, जैसे छोटा baby सोता है, flexed. हाँ, newborn, how the baby is in the stomach, it is a flexed position. Extension में मतलब arms and legs all stretched apart, that is called as extension. Adduction, see, ADDUCTION. So adduction क्या होता है? जब आप देखो ADD मतलब add, तो towards your body, when you are bringing your arms towards your body, that is called as adduction. And what is abduction? Away from the body, that is abduction. Lack or loss of appetite is called as alopecia, anorexia, agnosia, apnea. Here the answer is anorexia. Common side effect of a non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drug includes ototoxicity, loss of taste, optic irritation, or alteration in the vision. So here the answer is ototoxicity. Most nutrients and electrolytes are absorbed in the colon, stomach, esophagus, or small intestine. So answer is small intestine. Thank you. Like, subscribe and share.